Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable kids mode on Insta360 GO Ultra. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then slide to the next page and find kids mode. Now you can enable it, and what it'll do, it'll disable the prompt sound of the standalone camera, so when I hit the record, it only plays the sound on the action and not on the standalone camera, right? So that's the first part. Then also it disables the indicator light and disables the standalone button. You can see the standalone camera button presses are disabled, and it's to prevent some accidental presses from kids. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.